He was just trying to impress his date. A quiet night, a remote lover's lane, and a borrowed car. But then came the scraping sound, and then an announcement on the radio. They drove away, but something was left behind. This is the true American legend of the Hookman. And if you think this is just a scary tale, think again. 1950s, Pennsylvania. Teenagers, rock and roll, and the rise of the American automobile. Lovers' lanes became escape zones for young couples looking for privacy. One such spot sat deep in a wooded ridge just beyond a forgotten county road. That night, 17-year-old Jimmy Parker parked under a canopy of stars with his date Linda. He'd borrowed his brother's Chevy, packed a flashlight, and just enough nerve to be romantic. The radio crackled between songs, and then suddenly the DJ cut in. Police are searching for an escaped mental patient, last seen near the county line. Armed and dangerous, he may have a hook for a hand. Jimmy froze. Linda clutched his arm. He laughed it off at first. But then came the noise, a scraping, slow, metallic. Jimmy killed the lights, held his breath. Nothing. He turned the key, the engine roared to life, and they sped out of there in seconds. They didn't wait. Back at Linda's house, they got out, shaken but safe. Jimmy walked around the car and stopped cold. There, dangling from the rear passenger door, was a rusted metal hook. It had pierced the door frame. Was it planted? Was it a sick joke? Or something far more real? The story spread like wildfire. From Pennsylvania to Texas, new versions emerged. Some say the hook was bloodied. Others claim the man was seen standing on the edge of the tree line. Think about it. You're out in the woods. No GPS, no signal. If Jimmy's car hadn't started, what then? He had a flashlight, but no real prep gear. No multi-tool. No emergency signal flare. Not even a pocket blade. Sometimes survival isn't about the monster. It's about your response. Any modern adventurer knows one good tactical flashlight or reliable multi-tool, even a dash cam, could have changed this story. So here's some essential gear that you need to keep in your car. A tactical flashlight that lights up the night, even in total darkness. A good option is the Ace Beam TAC that is priced at just around $25 right now. A stun gun that can stun an attacker. You can check out the Viper Tech VTS 989 stun gun, which is also available for just around $25 right now. Survival safety whistle that can alert others or scare off threats with a single breath. A very good option is the Survive Outdoors Longer Slim Rescue Howler whistle, which is just for about $8 for a pack of 2 right now. A multi-tool that can fix, cut or improvise in a pinch. And you can try out the Leatherman Skelly Tool CX, which is for around $90 on Amazon right now. A portable phone charger or power bank that will keep your phone and signal alive. Most important. A popular option is the Baseus portable charger, which is only $15 on Amazon right now. A dash cam with night vision that can document what the eyes can't. You can check out the Red Tiger dash cam, which is for around $85 right now. A first aid kit. You'll have to patch wounds when help is far. The Veli first aid kit priced at around $25 is a good option right now. An emergency blanket and rain poncho, which will help you retain warmth and stay dry in a tough situation. You can check out the Prepared 4X emergency poncho and Mylar blanket liner, which is for just around $15 on Amazon. A vehicle escape tool, seatbelt cutter, window breaker, when every second counts. The Rescue Me car escape tool is a great choice at just $7. And you'll find the links to all of these tools in the description below. So if you want to buy any of them, just check them out right now. Well, coming back to the Hookman, decades pass, the Hookman became campfire legend. A warning tale whispered at summer camps and trailheads. But real reports of similar incidents lingered into the 1980s. Hooks found, doors scratched, teens terrified. So whether it was one disturbed man or the perfect myth, one truth remains. When you're off grid, the only thing between you and panic is what you brought with you. Would your gear have helped you? Would you have driven off or frozen? Ever had a moment like this? Comment below. And if you want more real legends with real stakes, subscribe to Up on Top and hit the bell button.